Ready to ditch video editing headaches and unleash the power of AI? Let's dive into Kling AI vs Invideo to find your perfect video creation partner. First up, Kling AI. Simply type in your video idea, like a Shiba Inu puppy playing in a field of sunflowers, and hit generate. Kling AI quickly produces several video clips based on your prompt. Notice how it interprets the keywords to create relevant visuals. You can then easily swap out clips, trim the scene length, and fine-tune the visuals until you get your desired result. Simple and straightforward. Now let's jump into Invideo. Invideo boasts a massive library of pre-designed templates that you can customize with AI. Use Invideo's AI Text-to-Video feature, paste your script and the AI will automatically generate a complete video draft with visuals and voiceover. Invideo gives you far more control over customization. You can add dynamic text, smooth transitions, and animate elements for a polished look. So, which AI video generator reigns supreme? Kling AI excels in speed and simplicity for quick content creation. Invideo offers more advanced editing capabilities and customization for high-quality and professional videos. Your choice depends on your needs and skill level.